you're planning a self-build, renovation or extension, glazing and doors are going to require a considerable chunk of your budget and will need plenty of planning and thought. This video will take you through the process of specifying the right products for your project. One of the most obvious things you'll need to decide on when you're specifying windows and doors is the glazing itself. There have been a lot of technological improvements in glazing, including gas-filled cavities and various coatings, but the most obvious advancement of recent times has been the move towards triple glazing. It's a basic assumption that triple glazing is better than double glazing and therefore more expensive, but that's not the whole story. Is your house north facing or south facing? Are you on the sunny south coast or somewhere colder and wetter? What heating system will they be working in tandem with? Many factors will influence your decision, as will your budget, the sizes you require, colours and materials. You'll need to find a balance between solar gain, that's the natural warmth from the sun that a window or doors allows into a room, and thermal efficiency, that's the ability of the glazing to prevent warm air escaping from your home. The extra cost of specifying triple glazing might be outweighed by the money lost over time through inefficient windows. A good supplier should listen to your plans and work with you to find the most efficient and high-performing windows for your build, rather than simply trying to sell you their most expensive units. However, it's probably useful to keep your eyes open for these bits of glazing tech.
Low E stands for low thermal emissivity. Specially designed coatings are applied to one or more surfaces of insulated glass. These coatings reflect radiant infrared energy, keeping radiant heat on the same side of the glass as it originated. This results in more efficient windows and doors because heat originating indoors in winter is kept inside, while infrared heat radiation from the sun during summer is reflected away, keeping it cooler inside. Solar controlled glass helps to reduce the G value, but still giving the insulating values which keep the heat in. Solar controlled glass would typically be offered on large doors or windows which are south facing. On a north facing window, the opposite would be advisable, which would be a low iron glass. As the name suggests, this glass has a low iron content, which increases the solar gain. This is good for saving on heating bills in the winter and increasing the overall efficiency rating of the window. This has a coating on the outer pane of the glass which reacts with the ultraviolet rays of the sun, reducing the dirt's ability to stick to the glass and making it decompose quicker. This is called photocatalysis. When it rains, the dirt is naturally washed away from the surface of the glass. Tempered or toughened glass has gone through a chemical process that increases its strength and durability. This is required on glazed doors and low-level windows for safety. Typically, toughened glass can be anything from 4mm up to 19mm, with the thicker panes being stronger for larger expanses of glazing. The thicker panes can also help with soundproofing. Like toughened glass, this is used for security and safety. Laminated glass is made up of 2 or more panes of glass held together with an interlayer. This type of glass is required on accessible doors and windows on new builds as part of the building regulations.